YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the double goods. I guess some kind of fundraising for popcorn that my wife did the fundraising for someone. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got inside here. So here the product description right here in crystal fire, butter believe it, sweet, you salty, white cheddar, go getter. So I got the 3 of each. Anyway, let's go and see how the packaging and stuff. So this is the in crystal fire. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So there are 3 of them right here. And then we got 3 of this butter, believe it. I guess it's supposed to be mean better believe it, so they changed to butter. It's 1.41 ounce. And then we got this white cheddar, go getter. Here's a nutrition facts. And then the rest of this 3, sweetie, you salty. Oh, look at the graphic on this thing. Each individual bag, they have a different way with different flavors. So this one is the lightest. And this one is the heaviest. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.